And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
In case you missed it, talking about temperatures above 70 degrees tomorrow. Of course, we weren't all that far away from it today. I think it was 67, 64 yesterday, 64 the day before that. So things have been very, very mild. Unfortunately, we often tend to pay the price, a couple of weeks later for big swings up like this. But maybe we'll look at it like we're just finally catching up to the cold that we had earlier, right? That's what we're keeping our fingers crossed for. A couple of light showers well off into the Gulf Stream, not going to affect any areas around land. We do have a couple of clouds starting to move in. Right now it's mostly cloudy, 56. Winds are out of the south at 8 miles per hour, and the pressure's falling with that cold front currently moving toward us. So tonight we're about as low as we're going to go. Skies have already started to become cloudy in places where they haven't. They will continue that trend. Showers possible by very late tonight. Again, most spots are not going to see any wet weather until tomorrow morning, and then it'll build throughout the middle part of the day. Readings out there again right now generally in the mid-50s. There are a few exceptions. As we continue overnight, then we're actually going to go up. The temperatures will rise up through the 50s and make a run at 60 already by the sort of middle part of rush hour. And you can see that front still out to the west. So a very strong flow of air out ahead of it. A few isolated showers breaking out, but the steadiest rain starting to move in at that point from Central Virginia. Starts to overspread the area tomorrow morning. Good chance of a couple of storms, as I said, with that frontal passage, especially eastern North Carolina. You can see some of that heavier stuff offshore there at this point. But tomorrow afternoon, 70 it's showing. I'm actually going a little warmer than that. The trend lately has been every day for the temperatures to be above what was forecast by Futurecast. So we're going to continue to follow that trend until it shows that it's not true. Right now, readings, as you can see, tomorrow night will be colder again, back down into the 30s, and then only 53. That'll feel rather chilly compared to tomorrow's 73. But it's still actually, believe it or not, a little bit above normal. Out in the mountains, looking at a little snow, places like Snowshoe and Canaan Valley. But around here, it is going to be very, very mild, at least the first day or two. You can see a couple of those isolated showers already beginning to break out. Look at this severe weather. Strong thunderstorms right now out in eastern Kentucky. So our forecast tonight, 53, becoming cloudy. Just a stray shower in a very few locations late tonight. Temperatures actually rising from 53. Tomorrow, 73. Scattered showers, a couple of storms, and a little bit of afternoon clearing. Hopefully tomorrow night, 42. Mainly clear and quite chilly. 30s, though, for the rural locations. 53 on Wednesday. Normal, as you can see there, is 48. And then we'll get only 45 or so on Thursday, so a little below where we should be. 49 is right on target for Friday, and then 59 and 65 by Sunday. By the way, statistically,
Yes.
the next couple of days are usually where we bottom out and then we start
Okay,
up.
we're making the
Of course,
turn.
It varies from year to year, but in general, we're sort of over the hump.
All right, thanks, Jeff.